Here we go guys, let's click on install and see if it's real.
Yo guys, this is Atrix here. Today in this video, I'll be showing you guys the truth of so-called PS3, PS4 emulators on Playstore. Now if you are my subscriber, then you know that previously I tested out few emulators from Playstore which turned out to be fake and just filled with ads. And nowadays the number of apps called as PS3, PS4 emulators are increasing day by day on Playstore. So today in this video I'll be taking a look at few of these. So let's begin and I'll tell you guys the truth about them. So let's find out what's up with these emulators on Playstore. Alright, so first of all, if we just go ahead and open Playstore and let's say we search PS3 emulator, right, and instantly a app pops up which you can see right now. So here you will see PS3 emulator, Emu PS3, PS5 ROM launcher. What the heck is this, bro? Let me just go ahead and click on it and we'll see. It says PS5 ES ROM launcher emulator and it has even added screenshots of PS4 instead of PS5, and you can see it also has screenshot of God of War. And if we go to about section, they will say that it's currently early access and it can launch few ROMs, not every game, etc. But is it true though? Let's take a look at this PS3 emulator, so-called PS3 emulator app on Playstore. Emulate PS3 games on your Android devices, supported file, etc. And you can see that these apps are in early access and they literally have 1 million downloads. Just take a look at the Emu PS3 app. They have also uploaded photos or pics or screenshots of few of the gameplays, and here you can see, have you ever tested the latest generation of PS3 emulator, etc. Now I tested this PS3 emulator in one of my previous videos, and we know that this is not a real emulator, right? Because if you open it, it will just start showing ads. It is not playable at all. Now let's see if there are PS4 emulators. So I just searched PS4 emulator. You can see PS4 Emu simulator, and the screenshot, etc. which they upload seem very realistic. Just take a look at this, guys. There is also an FPS meter text added at the top left, and they show that it's truly possible to emulate PS4 games on Android. It's an early access, right? Let's take a look at the about this game section. Emulator simulator of PS console. Alright, it's completely vague. It doesn't even mention which PlayStation, but again, as you know, copyright issues. So if we just go ahead and check any one of these emulators, let's say we'll just go ahead and check out this PS4 ES simulator emulator or whatever at the top. So we will just go ahead and download it and we'll see if it's really working. Alright, because it has over 1 million downloads, its size is about 68 MB, and if you guys know, then this fools a lot of people. Like, people believe that it's actually an emulator, but in the title you can see it's literally a simulator. If you don't know what simulator is, it's basically gives you feel of a PlayStation running on your Android devices, but it cannot emulate the game. So you cannot play any PS4 games on your Android devices in these kind of apps. So these are basically clickbait apps, but for people who don't understand the meaning of simulator, I guess you are clickbaiting yourself. But again, as I was mentioning, this app has clear text saying PS4 simulator, but not all the apps have that. Other apps call themselves PS5 ROM launcher emulator. Like, what the heck, bro? Even PS5 like, it's such a new generation console and there is no PS5 emulator even for PC. And how come there is an emulator for Android? It's just impossible, guys. Currently emulating PS3 is 100% impossible for Android devices, and as you can see, these apps will have just tons and tons of ads. Wherever you go, wherever you click, you'll just face an ad. So that's the problem with this app, and the truth is that they will only create these apps to just earn money and fool you guys. But we all know that the only true way to play PS4 or PS3 games on Android is through cloud gaming through the Game CC app. I have made a tutorial on how to play real PS4 games on Android in Game CC. Be sure to check that out. Link will be given in description box below. But other than that, you only can play these console games through cloud gaming softwares where you actually need to own the games too. So there is no concept of emulator currently for PlayStation. So beware from all of these apps, and if there is someday a real emulator, like we know that Demon PS3 emulator is under work according to the developers, but I am guessing that it won't be released at all. But again, there are few projects under work. They might come to life. So be sure to hit that like button, subscribe, turn on all notification if you guys want to stay up to date with all the latest emulation news. Anyways, that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Goodbye. See you guys later.